Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to TMP Group. My name is Tom and today is January 4th. It's 2022. It's a Tuesday and I am finally back in the war room. I'd like to give a big shout out to all of the comments and people that have wished me a well recovery on my accident. It's been exactly 1 month from today that happened, and like I said, today I'm finally back in the war room. It's been a great day. It's so good to be back. Even though the market turned red on us today in the final day of what's called the Santa Claus rally, but I did want to stop in and cover Lucid Motors and just kind of give you a quick update on some things that are happening with Lucid. Definitely want to give a big shout out to Mocha Choka for commenting and sending me a message last night, wishing me well in my recovery. Thank you for the kind words, and thank you for prompting me to do this video today on Lucid. Mocha Choka, you're one of the best, and I definitely appreciate you. Before I jump into it, you guys, I do have to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. No members of the TMP Group are licensed brokers. We are individuals that are looking to build generational wealth. And if you subscribe to this channel and listen to our videos, you'll know that we are in it for the long run. We are long-term investors for the most part. We're not afraid to do the occasional trade, put out the occasional option, but we believe in saving and investing and creating that wealth chain, the wealth chain that we can pass on to our children, pass on to our families, families, and move on from there. So, before I jump into it, I do want to invite you all to hit the like button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like what you hear today. It doesn't cost anything. I don't have a private Discord. I'm not asking for any money. I do would like it if you hit the like button, though. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It will get this video out to more people that are searching Lucid, and they can hear the comments that I have today. They're very bullish on Lucid. TMP Group is bullish on Lucid. The reason for this video today is because of an article from Barron's that came out yesterday, where Wallstreet is bullish on Lucid, specifically Citigroup, and their analyst Ite Micheli came out with some information I'm going to go over. So with that out of the way, I do want to again thank you for jumping in today, and let's just hop right into it. So yesterday, Monday, Citibank came out, and the analysts that had previously covered the stock Lucid, I say previously because they suspended their coverage on it, they jumped right back in and reiterated Lucid as a buy and gave it a price target of $57. So about $17 over where it's trading at right now. Very, very optimistic. The TMP Group has a price target for 2022 of $60. And we have a price target of well into $100, if not $120 by 2025. So we think that currently trading right around $40 right now, that Lucid can 3x by 2025, if not more. I think that is a very conservative price target based on everything that has happened and is happening with Lucid and the EV sector. But again, I want to refer to the article that Barron's came out with, and you can go ahead and take a look at that article and follow along. And listen to kind of what they have to say, but I'll just give you the cliff notes. So yesterday, the analyst that had previously covered Lucid jumped back in and reiterated with a buy price of $57, citing Lucid as one of the top EV stocks for 2022 and moving forward in the future. Now, we know that Lucid is a post-luxury vehicle. Post-luxury meaning that it is above and beyond what we would consider typical luxury compared to Mercedes, let's say the S-Class, so on and so forth. The Lucid Air is coming in the price tag of right around $170,000, but that does not seem to scare off potential buyers as the orders continue to pile in. So, Lucid, stock ticker LCID, rose about 7% on Monday. And then today, the market took back about 4.5% of that, leaving us with a net of roughly 2.5%. It did outperform the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500. The Dow was up 0.07, and then the S&P 500 was up 0.6%. So Lucid far outperformed that, going up 7%. Nice to see the EV stocks have the jump yesterday, but that was yesterday. Today, we know what happened. We fell back in the red. Okay, so analysts can suspend their coverage on any given stock at any given time for any given reason. But the main reason that an analyst with a bank as large as Citi would suspend, in my opinion, and again, this is not financial advice, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's all educational purposes. My opinion, the biggest reason they would suspend coverage is if the bank was looking at a deal or in a deal with the company, said bank Citi, said company Lucid. Now, that's all speculation. Again, do your own due diligence. I'm not making a prediction one way or another, but in my opinion, that is the main reason that they would suspend their coverage. Of course, they jumped back in yesterday, reiterated with a $57 price target. And when Citi was asked why they suspended and jumped back in, they declined any comment. So, we don't know why they suspended the coverage, but they did. Again, back at $57 price target. Lucid targets are all over the place on Wall Street. There's only 4 analysts covering this stock, which compared to a stock like Rivian, which has 15 analysts, is a little bit shocking. Maybe that's because Rivian went to market the traditional way with an IPO, and Lucid came in under the SPAC CCIV. Now, the TMP group has been with Lucid since CCIV, started buying right around $12, and watch the stock go up to 70, watch it drop back down. We do hold our position, and would consider it still a moderate buy here in the 40s. It drops back down to 35, a strong buy. We will hold and not carve anything out of our position until the 60s. I personally, as an individual investor, want to hold this thing for triple digits. I believe it has Tesla-like run in it. Okay, let's see. Lucid stock is valued at about $63 billion right now. The $57 price target would put it at $100 billion, making it one of the largest, one of the largest and most valuable car companies in the world. So, again, back to Lucid being a post-luxury vehicle and post-luxury pricing. If you head into the mall and you go past a Gucci store, you go past Louis Vuitton, you go past Dior, these are the stores that you see people lined up for, post-luxury products. So don't let the $170,000 price tag on Lucid scare you. There are plenty of buyers for Lucid. Lucid is still in pre-sales, of course. It's just on the cusp of deliveries for 2022. It does have a ton of pre-sale orders with large deposits. You can't get into pre-sales with Lucid without, spending thousands of dollars on deposits. So their customers are serious. I did a video not too long ago where I went down to the Lucid plant in Casa Grande, Arizona. It was alive and well. They kicked me off the plant, so I did it from the side of the road. But Lucid is in high production, and we believe that the Lucid vehicle is in high demand. Let's take a look at Lucid and see what happened. I told you that Lucid, we know the history on it. It was up 7% yesterday, closed down about 4.5% today, leaving us with a net of 2.5%. But 2.5% of 2 days, we'll take that as long as we can get it. Looking at the 1 month chart of Lucid, if you pull up a chart of Lucid and look at the 1 month, we're down. We're down about just over 3%, 3.1%, and we're down. But if you scroll out and look even further, over the past 3 months, we are up 57% in Lucid. Congratulations, Lucid stockholders. We're up 57% over the past 3 months. And then take a look at the 1 year. So 1 year since January 1st of 2020 to January 1st, 2022. I'm sorry, from January 1st, 2021 to January 1st, 2022, we are up an outstanding almost 290%. So, do we see that there's more runway in Lucid? Absolutely. Does Wall Street think that there's more runway in Lucid? At least one analyst does. Again, there's only 4 analysts covering it. I do know that with it being named Motor Trend Electric Vehicle of the Year, with its battery range, with its charging, and its development in self-driving, Lucid will continue to be a pioneer and be a leader in the EV sector. So our opinion and our opinion only is that we continue to buy when we can. We continue to hold, average into Lucid, because Lucid is not done running. There is a lot of runway in Lucid. Again, congratulations to all the Lucid stockholders. I think we're in for a positive 2022. Stay away from the FUD. That's the fear, the uncertainty, and the doubt. Be strong on your convictions. Hold your position if you believe that Lucid has a higher price target than where it's at right now. I'm curious to hear your comments about Lucid. Drop me a comment below. I do try to get back with everyone as soon as I can. Again, I would like to say that the best investment we can make is an investment in ourselves. And we are all about building that wealth chain. If you come from wealth, then you're part of a wealth chain already. If you come from nothing and you're looking to build that wealth chain, just drop some money into the market, start investing. There is no number that is too little, anywhere from $1 to $100,000 and above and beyond. Anywhere in the middle, establish a position, put what you can in, start that wealth chain. Your friends, your family, your family's family, your children, your children's children will thank you for it. I do have some links down below. I've got 2 links to 2 trading platforms that allow you to buy in fractional shares. One being Robinhood and the other being Webull. I've gotten some negative feedback on promoting Robinhood, but I do believe in having multiple accounts, and I personally use Robinhood for trades and for options. I use Webull for trades and options. They're both giving away free stock when you join up and deposit, and I also have 2 links to some crypto currency platforms, Coinbase and crypto.com. Okay, hope everybody's having a good day. Hope we have a great week. Happy New Year's. Thanks for stopping in the channel, and I hope to see you on the next video.